We all know how difficult it is sending file from your Windows PC to your iPhone, or from your iPhone to your Windows PC. I mean, it's not as easy as it is to send from the PC to Android phone or from the iPhone to the MacBook, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to fix this. I mean, you can be able to send files, images, videos, PDFs, zip files, any kind of file at all from your phone to your Windows PC, or from your Windows PC to your phone without any cable, without any extra application, without any internet connectivity. You can be able to do this. So follow me in this video while I show you how to do this. Let's get started. I'm doing this using the Windows 11, but trust me, you can do it with any version of the Windows that you have. Now I'm going to search from the search bar right here. I'm going to search add, edit, and right here you can see the best match, the first option, which is the add, edit, or remove other users. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to add another user account, and this account is only meant for transferring my files from my iPhone to my Windows PC, and of course using the FTP, right? So let's get started. Now I click on the add account. Now, of course, you see the pop-up to log in to your Microsoft account, and we are not going to do that, of course. So you just go ahead and click on, I don't have this person's sign-in information. So I click on that. Now on this window, I'm going to click on add user without a Microsoft account. So I'll quickly, fix in the user details right here. So for the username, I'm just gonna call this sender. I can just call it FTP sender, right? And of course, I make a quick password for this. And then I go ahead and click on next. Now we're done creating the FTP sender user, right? So I'm just gonna close these settings right here. Now the next action we are going to take is to create a new folder. You can create it anywhere, but I choose to create that on my desktop, right? So I'm going to create a new folder from my desktop right now, and I can call it the FTP sender. Now the job of this folder is going to be sending and receiving files. So inside this folder, all the files that I'll be receiving from my iPhone will be here, and all the files that I'll be sending from my iPhone will first of all make it to this folder. Okay, so right now you need to follow me carefully, right? So I'll right click on this folder and I go to properties and I go to sharing, and then I go to advanced sharing. Now I'll click on share this folder and I click on permissions over here, and of course let's add new permissions. Of course you click on add, and of course you type in the username that you created earlier, which is in my case FTP sender. So when you type in the username there, you click on check name, and of course you can see the user right there. Then you go ahead and click on OK. Now of course you can guess, you click on full control to give this account a full control, okay, and click on apply, and the last one you click on OK, and you go ahead and click on apply again, and lastly you click on OK. Now from here we don't close it yet because we are going to click on the share button, and right here we search for the FTP sender user, okay, FTP sender. Then you click on add. Now you can see this FTP sender user only has its permission on read, okay, so I'll click on it to set it to read and write, okay, so I select read and write, and when you are done with this you click on share. Now I'm going to select the first option right here, and then I click on done, and of course I close it. So guys, now we are done creating the FTP user and we have also set it up. The next thing to do is to connect our iPhone to the PC and to be able to send and receive files. So before you continue, you want to make sure that your iPhone and your PC is connected to the same network. So to confirm that, you can click here and check the network that your PC is connected to, and also check the network that your iPhone is connected to. Okay, now it's not time to set up our phone to listen to the FTP user. I'm going to search for the file application and also get into the file application. Now you can see the three dot icon over there at the top right hand side. Now I'm going to click on the three dot icon and you can see an option called connect to server. Of course, I'm going to tap on that, and now you can see I have an option to connect to a server. So let's head back to our PC, and from your PC I'm going to search for settings. I'm going to search for settings, and of course I go into the settings option. From the settings, I'm going to go into the network and internet option. So I click on network and internet, and I'll click on the properties right here. Now, if you're not connected to a private network, of course you can switch it. Make sure you switch it to a private network. And I'm going to scroll all the way down, and you can see the IPv4 address right here. So this is the IP address of my internet provider. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that, or no need to copy that, by the way. I'm going to type that into my iPhone where it says server. So I'm gonna type in that right now. So I'm gonna click on connect. For the name, I'm going to enter the name of the FTP account that I just created in my PC right now, which is the FTP sender, and I'm going to enter the password as well. Then click on next. And guys, you can see right here we are connected to our PC, and you can see the FTP sender folder right there. So if I tap on the folder, you can see folder is empty. Now we have successfully connected our iPhone to our PC with no cable nor any special application. So all what we have to do is drag any file and move it into this folder from our iPhone, and we can get it from our PC, and vice versa, guys. So if you move any file, any picture, any video, any file at all from our PC to the folder that we created on the PC, of course we can get to see it from the iPhone. So let me just try that up right now. So from my PC right here, I'm going to open that up, and I'm of course going to look for any particular picture, any random picture. Okay, let's just look for any random picture. Let's say this picture right here. So I'm going to drag this picture and just copy it right here, and let's look at what is happening on our phone. You can see I have the file on my iPhone right away. So let's still do the same thing with the iPhone. So you can see I have a random screenshot that I just took on my phone, and from the options I'm going to tap on save to files. So I'm going to tap on the server, and I have the FTP sender folder, and when I click on that I'm going to tap on save, and you can see from my computer already I have the file immediately. So this happens to any file, folder, video that you decide to share from your iPhone to your PC, or from your PC to your iPhone. It is very fast. It does not require your internet data. You just only need to be on the same network as your PC, and you can set up the FTP user and also set up the server on your iPhone. And of course you can see I've been able to do this with no cable connection on my iPhone and no application installed. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and if this is your first time seeing my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.